Today, we'll demonstrate how to use Multi-Prog to read VW Audi 5C 5D key data and generate a dealer key. You can use either original key or VVDI key. In this video, we'll show the method using the original key. Both soldering and solder-free adapter reading are supported. Method 1. Soldering connection. Connect Multi-Prog to computer. Open Multi-Prog software. Click Device. Find the VW5C Smart model. Click to view the connection diagram. Follow the diagram. Solder the original key to MCU cable. Once connected, click Read. Read the original key data. After a successful read, click Save File. Save the data file to your computer. Remove the original key. Then solder the new original key for generation to the corresponding points on the harness. Click Open File. Load the previously saved data file. Click Write. Once completed, the original key is successfully generated a dealer key. Method 2. Solder-free adapter. Clamp the original key on the adapter. Connect MCU cable to Multi-Prog. After connection, click Read. Once successful, click Save. Save the data file to your computer. Remove the original key from adapter. Clamp the new original key on the adapter. Click Open File. Load the previously saved data file. Click Write. After writing is complete, the original key is successfully generated a dealer key. You can now proceed to the vehicle for key learning. VVDI2, Key Tool MIDI, or Key Tool Plus is required. That's the complete process for generating a VW5C dealer key using an original key. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. See you in the next video.